waiting for the Mylari dosa, which is very famous in Mysore.
Mysore, the cultural capital of Karnataka, endures with its old world charm. Mysore is, of course, well known for its royal heritage and traditional culture, but it is also well known for its traditional cuisine. It is the birthplace of the legendary Mysore Pak, and as you walk along the streets of Mysore, the lingering fragrance of Mysore jasmine haunts you.
We are in Mysore and on our way to the famous Mylari Hotel.
Mylari dosas.
I heard about this restaurant from my father, who spent his early childhood here and studied here. But I've never tasted this dosa. So let's see how it tastes and let's see whether it lives up to the expectations.
If you are in Mysuru and have not tasted the legendary Mylari dosas, then you have not really experienced Mysuru's food culture.
Mylari ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನಾರ.
It's good, nice food. Dosa is fine.
The small but legendary eatery has been serving its loyal clientele for more than 8 decades and remains a pilgrimage of sorts for visitors to the city. With our palates in a state of high arousal, we started with the idlis. The idlis were white orbs of velvet that simply melted in the mouth. The idlis, in tandem with a flavorable chutney, orchestrated a gastronomic symphony that sent the palate into raptures. The idlis simply blew our mind away. And then the dosas arrived. The Mylari dosa is unlike any other dosa you may have tasted. Unlike the usual crispy dosa, Mylari dosa is soft, fluffy, and packed with a unique aroma. The masala dosa in Mylari is served with a delectable chutney and sagu rather than the usual aloo, palya, or potato curry. We like the dosas but would rather prefer a masala dosa with the usual potato curry than the sagu. The uniqueness of the dosa is attributed to the quality of ingredients used and the meticulous preparation method. The urad dal and rice used in the batter are carefully sourced and the fermentation process is conducted with great attention to detail. The dosas are cooked on traditional iron griddles which impart a distinct flavor that cannot be replicated by modern non-stick cookware. Inside the kitchen, it was poetry in motion, as the hand of the cook moved swiftly and rhythmically in circles to spread the batter on the griddle. Soon, lo and behold, he had a tray full of steaming hot dosas to serve to a patiently waiting clientele. Some restaurants are known for the food they serve, while others are legends and serve emotions and history on a platter. The Mylari Hotel of Mysore belongs to the latter category. Have you tucked into a fluffy Mylari dosa in Mysore? Let us know in comments what you think about it. Also, let us know whether you prefer your masala dosas with aloo palya or with sagu.